What's up, everybody? It's Jimmy. I'm here to help you conquer those dinner dilemmas with 5 of the quickest, easiest, and most delicious 15-minute meals you've ever seen. We're talking restaurant-quality flavors without the stress. You know what I'm talking about. That feeling when you walk in the door after a long day and the thought of cooking is just, ugh. Well, say goodbye to takeout menus and hello to your new favorite meals. All you need is 15 minutes, a few simple ingredients, and your awesome self. Let's get cooking. Oh, and before we start, smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome cooking content. First up, we're diving into a classic shrimp scampi. This dish is bursting with flavor, and it's so easy to make, you won't believe it took only 15 minutes. Grab a pound of juicy jumbo shrimp and mince 4 cloves of garlic. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a saucepan over medium heat, add the garlic, and let it sizzle. Toss in the shrimp and cook until pink, about 3 to 4 minutes per side. In a bowl, whisk together 1/4 cup of lemon juice, 1/2 cup of white wine, and 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Pour this over the shrimp and let it simmer until the sauce thickens. Serve over angel hair pasta with fresh parsley. Boom! Restaurant quality shrimp scampi in just 15 minutes. Next up, we're putting a fun twist on a comforting classic French onion beef stroganoff. Grab a pound of thinly sliced beef sirloin and a big onion. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat and sear the beef until browned. Remove and set aside. In the same skillet, add the onions with a little butter and cook until caramelized. Stir in 1 cup of beef broth, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, and a sprig of thyme. Let it simmer while you cook some egg noodles. Once the noodles are cooked, add the beef back to the skillet with 1/2 cup of sour cream. Stir until heated through. Serve over the noodles and sprinkle with fresh parsley. Congratulations, you just made French onion beef stroganoff in 15 minutes. Ooh la la! Chapter 3. Honey garlic chicken. So good it's finger licking. Everyone loves a good honey garlic anything. It's sweet, savory, sticky, and delicious. And this honey garlic chicken recipe is no exception. Plus, it's ready in just 15 minutes. Grab 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts and cut them into bite-sized pieces. In a bowl, whisk together 1/4 cup of honey, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 4 cloves of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of minced ginger, and 1/4 cup of water. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add the chicken and cook until golden brown. Pour the honey garlic sauce over the chicken and let it bubble and thicken. Steam or microwave some broccoli florets until tender crisp. Serve the chicken and broccoli over fluffy white rice. Get ready for a flavor explosion. Chapter 4. Beef and noodle stir-fry. Faster than takeout. Craving takeout but don't want to wait or spend a fortune? This beef and noodle stir-fry is the answer. It's packed with tender beef, colorful veggies, and slurp-worthy noodles. Grab 1 pound of flank steak and slice it thinly against the grain. Prep 2 bell peppers, 1 onion, and 1 cup of snap peas. In a small bowl, whisk together 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a large skillet or wok over high heat. Add the beef and stir-fry until browned. Remove the beef and set aside. Add the veggies to the wok and stir-fry until tender crisp. Add cooked noodles and the sauce to the wok. Let it simmer and thicken. Add the beef back to the wok and stir-fry everything together. Serve immediately and enjoy a 15-minute meal that's faster than takeout. Chapter 5. Creamy bacon pasta. The ultimate comfort food. Fast. Sometimes you just need a big bowl of creamy, cheesy, bacony goodness. This creamy bacon pasta is here to satisfy those cravings in just 15 minutes. Cook 6 slices of bacon until crispy and chop it into bite-sized pieces. While the bacon is cooking, cook your pasta according to the package directions. In a large skillet, melt 2 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Whisk in 2 tablespoons of flour and cook for a minute. Gradually whisk in 2 cups of milk until smooth. Simmer until thickened. Stir in 1 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Add the cooked pasta and bacon to the sauce and toss until combined. Serve immediately with extra Parmesan and garlic bread. The ultimate comfort food experience. And there you have it, folks. 5 incredibly easy, crazy, delicious 15-minute meals that will change your weeknight dinner game forever. No more stressing over complicated recipes or resorting to takeout menus. You've got this. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more awesome cooking content, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.